Here the product module, we have to create a first of all product model PSP artisan make model product -m, and then create a product variation. Okay, product variation we need, and let's create a product model. We need name of this product. Okay, and 2000s, and then slot. Okay, slot 2000s. Same, let's description, the long text. Okay, this is nullable, accepted, and let's brand ID. Okay, let's see the brand foreign ID is category IDs and brand IDs. This brand ID is nullable sometime. Okay, and then SKU is a nullable, barcode if we need, and then we need price, decimal price 20/4, default 0, and then status string status, and this is index wise, and then go to quantity we need, quantity is nullable. Okay, and then if we need unit, we will add later, created by, updated by, if you need according to this, and if you need the soft deletable table. Let's move now, that's it. Okay, that's the case. Let's go to the variation. First of all, in the variation create, let's create a schema. Schema is eloquent. Variation types, function table. Here we need a table for an ID is product constant is the product, and index is column, then name, and then type. Okay, variation type, variation types, what type of variation we need. After that, variation type options, let's create. Okay, variation type options, then here is a variation type id and variation types. Okay, and then name of the variation type and timestamps. Okay, let's create finally product variation. Here is product id is constant cascade on delete, then table JSON variation type option IDs. Okay, this is a not null, and then let's create type not IDs, option IDs. Okay, and integer or quantity, and then price. Okay, if we need this one SKU, let's see the SKU, leave it, and then let's leave this now. Let's this to migrate php artisan migrate. Okay, slug does not exist in blueprint schema printer. Where is slug? Oh, this is slug string. Okay, so let's migrate. Okay, migration is success, and now we have to go through the model. Okay, variation relations, so we need to create here. Okay, we need one is has slug, right, use has log from this party, then property we have to protected guarded. Okay, and then public function get slug options to has slug options, and slug created to the name of the slug, and then import this slug in the top. Okay, let's install one Sparty media library. Okay, Sparty media library. Let's install for Laravel media library, and okay, where is the installation, base installation, and this is published, optional to publish. Let's install this one. Go here, click, and then copy this one. Okay, done, and then let's migrate. migration file created. Let's see the migration how generated. If we go to the database, media library, module, collection name, name of file name, mem type, disk, conversions, disk size, manipulation, custom properties, generate conversions, responsive images, order column, like this. Okay, let's migrate. Okay, it's a migrate successfully. Now let's implement what we have to as media from the media library of the Sparty. Okay, and then what we have to one method, let's import inter React with media. This one, no, IO, yes, this one. Let's see media. Okay, you import this one as a media. Okay, and then let's create other sections. First of all, let's make public function register media conversions. If not, media should null void. Okay, register media conversions of media to null is void, and this file issue this is Intel fans warning, not this one. Okay, let's return add media thumb with 100. Okay, height no need to give, and same, let's 3 size. If we need a small, if we need large. Okay, large is 1200 of image size, a small have 480 ml size, and thumbnail is this one. And what we have to public, let's first of all create status, product status, php artisan make. Okay, enum, what we have to product status enum. Okay, it's created enum. No, not here, let's create in the one folder. Okay, enums folder, enums slash this one. Okay, if we go here, let's create this enums product enums folder. Okay, it will be written string type of enums and active pending draft. Let's see the two only. Okay, draft and published. Case is publi published and draft. If you need others, okay, no issue, you can add here only. and let's make one public static functions labels array returns if draft value is equal to draft, publish value is equal to publish, and then according to this we need to color public static function colors. Okay, this is the return array type. If value is what we have to send here. Okay, let's say this one. If this one this written, this one this written. Okay, this one also complete, and then here public function and scope. Okay, scope published query is equals to status as product status enum to valid publish, right? So another relation is with categories or users, and let's see public function let's say brand, and here let's say it belongs to, same on categories, belongs to, yes, and variation types we have, right? One more thing I am thinking, category have a filter issue, so I'm one logic here adding only product IDs, right? So here I want to table and string category IDs as a nullable. Okay, I will explain later, because here is we have like label cat1 and then cat2 right. So cat3 means if I selected cat3 in this product, if I choose category 1, then how cat also my child category product. So we have to use parents of my categories. If I choose this one, this one, this one, this one, I will add here. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and after that let's migrate. This one is we need to fresh migration. I am not getting this one, or I have to add this field to add new fields category, right? PSV artisan make migration, add category IDs column in products table. Okay, if I create like this, it will come here. If you see, yes, if I JSON is filterable, I will use here string. Okay, because of I need to comma separated, and a filter by find set is a good idea, right? It's easy for us. Let's 2000 here also, and a drop column also. Okay, then PSP artisan migrate, that's it. Oh, string is a spelling mistake, that's not here. Okay, it's created, right? So that's not big deal. And categories, let's another other relations, public function variation type. Okay, this type of variation types is has many variation types, and this is has many variation, and variation type is not model app, right? So let's create PHP artisan make model, then without migration. Okay, and then public function options we have, right? Variation type options means options. This one is has many through. Okay, this is from through return, like this has many through variation type options with variation type class, and I think this model not exist. Let's create and use product ID and variation type ID and product ID and option ID. Okay, type option ID, product ID, variation type ID and the option ID. Okay, and product ID. This is the let's see the variation type option ID. First of all, see product variation option ID is a variation ID, right? So product variation type ID. Let's see, we have to product variation type options are the through, and finally need variations, right? Product variations, that's it. And let's other needed function we will create later. Now that's it, we have to create. Let's first of all create from the product tables migration and the controller. Okay, first of all create product controller.php, and we have to copy this brand is best and paste here, and brand to what product, and then leave this one brand and find brand product and replace all. That's it. And the products, let's see product store request PHP artisan make request is equals to product request. Okay, then let's create update request also, update request. Okay, product store request, right? Let's the other functions we have to advance. So first of all go to the base First of all, I need to create a route. I want to products controller here, and this is a product controller, and okay, and one more thing I need, route controller, product controller, and group function to call. Okay, we don't need this one, we need to hear others like wait, another route group, and prefix is a product, and as a products dot, right? So here the create a variations, where is this party is coming here. Let's later I will explain here other route needed, we have to put other additional routes. Okay, then go to products, go to component, let's add to the sidebar, products, and let's product I can have or not, React Lucy React icons product, not diamond, this one. Okay, copy JSX and go to here. Okay, diamond and diamond. Okay, after that let's copy to brand page, go to brand, copy this and paste to here, products, oh sorry, spelling mistake, products. Okay, let's replace all from here. First of all, find in here brand to product. Okay, let's run the project, composer run dev, and then Laravel full e-commerce site, register media conversion could not check compatibility between the app products is a media library. Okay, let's fix this one. Why? Let's using copilot could fix. Okay, let's accept it. Why we have to taking this one? Okay, this media is coming from the media library, and remove any of the one of them, and here is accepted, right? That's it. Yes, let's log in, go to here. Okay, products table, create product, back. Okay, let's create product, edit product, variation, images, everything in the next session. Okay.